Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube and my subscribers, take a look at this. If this is your first time joining me, my name is AMAX1001, and look, we do have a sunny day today in Texas. God bless that we have a great day in Texas, and y'all know what that means. Like I said before, once that sun comes out, I told y'all I was going to give y'all that POV view in the 2019 Corvette ZR1. But before I head out, let me show y'all something that Chevrolet sent to me. A nice box. Nah, just kidding. But inside of the box, take a look at that. All the ZR1 generations. That's pretty cool. They also sent me the Ron Fellows letter, but I already had that in my owner's manual, so, you know, just a duplicate. Okay, without further ado, let me go ahead and head down to the country and get these point of view shots. Stay tuned. Okay, I finally made it to the country. So now, I'll give y'all this quick walk around. I know y'all haven't seen it out in the sun. Give y'all this 360 view.
Perfect.
And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this beast. I hope y'all can hear that crackle and pop. Golly, this car is bad. I'm doing all of this in manual mode. Ooh, that's a lot of rocks. A lot of rocks. Yeah, I hit the rev limiter on that one. On accident. That was full throttle. Woo! Let me tell y'all right now, that ride was thrilling. Yes, I did hit the rev limiter. I'm sorry about that. That was just me not shifting quick enough. It wasn't the car, it was me. But yes, man, whew, I wish y'all could have been in the passenger seat with me. That was a ride that is gonna go down in history. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that does conclude our video. I really do hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you could you like and subscribe, please? And just let me know if there's anything else that y'all would like me to do with the Corvette, you know. Just let me know, just leave a comment. And hope y'all have a good day. Thanks. Later.